Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and it is time for another 30-second card in 5 minutes. Now, I know sometimes they take longer than 5 minutes, although a few times they don't. But today I kind of just still have left over my scraps from my kit club. I just did the kit club video. And so I left all the cards out, the cardstock out, and the paper and the stamps from this month. And I just figured I'll just try to use whatever I have laying around. You never know. As I never know, you never know either. We never know what's going to happen. Moving that here so I can get die cut. So Kenny is over here editing videos at the same time as doing our timer. Ken, are you going to really pay attention today? Because we cannot have any mistakes. And it's very important to me that you don't mess up. Because I just hit him with that. It landed on his face. Did it get in your ear? No, it wasn't a booger. It was a little piece of paper. You're such a goober. Okay. Ken, are you ready? He says no. Tell me when you're ready. I need a drink. Okay, on your marks. Get set. Start the time. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold my cardstock because I am going to do the Birdcage Fold-it. I'm going to lay this down. I'm going to lay this down. It says place fold here, so I know exactly where to place it. I'm going to lay that down. And if you've never done a fold-it card before, go check out the video, but I don't have time to show it to you today. So we're going to run that through. Oh my gosh, I always go crooked. Okay. So now I have, and you know what? I don't even care. I'm not going to cut out another one because that looks like a decent top, right? That's okay. So now what I'm going to do is I have to die cut the cage, and I'm going to use this light gray, and I need adhesive. So I'm going to grab some adhesive sheet, and I'm going to gently, slowly peel this off so the adhesive doesn't come off with it. And we are going to lay that down right there. A little crooked, and I'm not going to bother cutting that down. I just know that the die that's right there, and I'm going to lay this down right there, and I'm going to run this through just like that. Dun, 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 dun. That's a little bit at an end. There we go. That's better. Okay, we're going to run that through. Ooh, lots of crunching because it's a little bit of a speed bump. Okay, but it has adhesive on the back, so I'm already halfway there. So now I have all of this fun pieces. And I'm going to peel this. Where'd my thing go? And I'm going to peel this, grab this, peel this. Oh, but first I need a birdie, huh? So I need to decide where I want my birdie. And I'm going to use one of these birdies that are already colored because that's even awesomer. Because I have to beat the mailman. Dun, 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 dun. Now, I would normally use, I'm going to have to use that green because that blue is just going to match too much. So I'm going to grab the die that matches. Oh, sweet. I'm going to grab this, I'm going to lay this down, and I'm going to get some washi. Where's my washi tape? Oh, there it is. And so I'm going to, usually it's on my machine. So I'm going to lay this down, grab this, line this up right here. And at the same time, I also want to die cut the little branch, and I'm going to need some brown for that. Do I have any? Oh wait, what's this? Oh yes. Already has adhesive on the back, so I'm halfway there. And lay this there, whoops. Switch this around, grab that, run it through. Run it through. Dun, 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 dun. Now I gotta think about what I'm doing here. Okay. So I have that, and I have this. I have my cute little guide die cut and my little branch. Okay, and we have this and we have this, and let's peel that up gently so it doesn't tear him. Usually I use washi tape that's old. Oh, look how cute that is. Look how cute he is. Okay, so I want him back here, and I want him to be on the little stick. So I'm gonna kind of like eyeball this before I put this over it. And I don't want that to be on his face, so I'm gonna put him off to the side right there. So he's kind of like right there. Okay, so don't move, guy. I got to peel up this stick, and of course luckily it has adhesive on the back too, so that saves me a life here. And I'm just going to, let's see, got to try to decide how I'm going to do this. I think I'm just going to go right under him like that. Okay, so I'm going to add that right there, and then I got to add adhesive to the back of him, And so I'm going to add adhesive, and I want to double check to make sure that his face doesn't get covered very much. So I want him to be more like I want him peeking through the bars. There we go. Perfect. Now I got to peel this up. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, come on. It's always when you're in a hurry, you can't do it. There we go. And this is very, very intricate, so be extra careful with this. But look how awesome that was. And I'm gonna lay this down, and it's going to layer perfectly on my little guy here, just like that. And I have the little top thing there. I'm just gonna punch that down. Okay, oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Okay, but it still needs something else. It still needs something else. It still needs something else. What else can I put on there? I need some embellishments. It needs like, ooh, a flower. Oh, darn, I don't have any of those. Hang on. Look, whoops, crash. Okay, let's look in here. So this is like kind of like the mix mashed. Since we moved, you never know what you're gonna find in here. Ooh, what's this? What's this? See, I told you I don't plan these things. If I plan these things, I'd have stuff out already. Ooh, I'm gonna use this little bow for the top to cover that little spot. So I'm gonna add, and you know what? You can actually add adhesive to these, it'll work. Okay, so I'm gonna add that right. Oh, look how cute that is. That little bow matches perfect. And now we have to find some stuff. I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like that. You know what? I could stamp. Hang on, let's see. Oh yeah, I could stamp. I could say you are so sweet, but it's got to go on something. You know what I mean? Like I got to die cut like a shape or something. And oh, boom. Sometimes you just hit a wall. Okay, hang on. Okay, so I really wish I had my tropical flower dies handy, but I know I don't. So look at this. I have dun, 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 a scallop circle, and I'm looking at my colors. I need a yellow because I don't have enough yellow on there, and I need a cutting pad, and I'm going to run that through. Oh my word. It's taking too long. Okay, so now I have this. I should have stamped first, but I'm going to grab this. I'm going to get this out of the way. I have a block right here. I'm going to do You Are So Tweet. I was going to do this on the inside, but now I'm thinking I got to do it on the outside. And here's some ink. I'm using chocolate because I don't want it to be too dark. Stamp on scratch first to make sure you're good. Is there furry on there? What's on there? Oh, it was good on the next one. Okay, so I'm going to ink that up. I'm going to stamp it right there. You Are So Tweet. Come on. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so now I am going to add some adhesive foam to the back of this just to add a little bit more interest. Ken always loves when he sees adhesive foam on the back. He always just goes, it just adds so much. You know, it's just popping up and it just looks better. So You Are So, I'm going to put a little bit at an angle because I think that font really calls for that. Now I still feel like I need something else. So, oh darn. Hang on. If I was gonna put little dots down here, but it might look like poo, and I don't want it to look like poo for my little guy. So I'm gonna just grab, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Let's do this. Let's do 1 and 2, and we'll do, oh, I wish I had orange. Oh, I can't, oh, can you guys believe I just said that? I just said I wish I had orange, which is something Stephanie's never said. Those didn't stick because I didn't press down hard enough. Okay, and we'll use the banana because we don't have any other color. And so oh gosh, that's like crooked. Okay, but okay, hang on, I'm not done because I got to decorate. Kenny, I'm almost ready, so you better get ready. I know you're playing on your little computer, but you got to get ready. Okay, so I got to ink the back, stamp this. This is my stop. He wasn't even ready. You didn't even push stop, even though I gave you the warning. Hit stop. He still hasn't hit stop. You are such stop. Oh my gosh. No, that's not the real. That's not the real one. That one is the real one. Okay. Dang. I got stuck, you guys. I got stuck on this section. You know what would have been cuter? here, it would have been the hibiscus flower. I got stuck. Darn it. Darn it. Darn it. Darn it. Okay, so the answer to your lifelong question on how long that took Stephanie to make, which is not one of my prouder moments because I literally made a mess. It's going to take me longer to clean up than it is actually to make this, to make that card. So the answer to your question is, I think I deserve 3 minutes just because you messed up so much on the time. 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Could be better. But, you know, it is kind of cute, and we did get some little stamp going there. Oh, and I already lost seat because I can't get these to stay on because I got to push on the back. There we go. Oh, now I can do that one. Oh my gosh. Okay, there. At least they're now. Okay, that looks a little better. Okay, but there we go. And look at the cute little bow at the top. That's cute. That's really cute. Okay, so thank you for joining me. Oh gosh, I don't even like saying it at this point. But you know what? Oh, I just thought of something. So this paper, I just thought of something. This paper is from the Kit Club, but it coordinates with my stamps and dies. So I am seriously going to do this right now before I forget. And I'm telling you I'm doing it because then you'll think to do it. I'm going to just loosely cut around these. Don't cut too tight because you have to have a little border around them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in my envelope where my stamps and dies are, so I don't have to go look for them if I want to use them, which is a really smart idea. So I'm kind of proud of myself. I came up with that just now. Okay, so 8 minutes, 5 seconds. It is what it is. I bet you he's not going to take me to dinner tonight because of that one. But thank you so much for joining me for another 30-second card. And yeah, okay, let's not count. 8 minutes and 5 seconds. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could, I would like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could, I would like that, cause I like the way you drive. says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl.